Hi everyone, so this is the first day of the week. Wala akong logo, pero papasok mo walang logo. That's okay because I'll be covering my uniform with this vest. Since meron ka na yung vest and matatakpan naman siya kahit wala akong logo, so it's okay. My favorite color. And right now, get ready with me kasi it's 6:22 a.m. and I have to get here at 6:40 or earlier as possible. So let's go. Here's my morning face and wala kayong magagawa dyan kasi kakaligo ko lang and kakatapos ko lang din maligo. And yeah, nagising ako, then diretsong ligo, then I have to get prepared na. I woke up like at 5. I don't know, since sinek ko naman yung time ko and it says that it's 5:30 a.m. and wala lang kasi so early. But now it's getting 6:30. I have to put my necktie now. Here's my necktie. It's so okay, so set up yun siya. Set up, hindi, I mean like ganyan siya. Then we're going to put our bets. Yeah, I don't have a pen kasi minsan nalalaglag siya dito. See? Kahit wala akong logo, natatakbo naman siya. Okay lang. Grabe yung brightness dito because this one's equal ewan ko, nilagay kitis. Basta, kaya kitang-kita yung ilaw pag pupunta dito. Actually, galing na dito and now you're there. Now let's get ready to have a full preparation. I'm actually a grade 12 student now. Ang dami kong na-miss na events or like happenings sa life ko since hindi ako nakapag-vlog and lately CapCut is lahat na lang ng is pro, so I don't have the access to edit everything. Now starting off with our morning skincare routine. We have the serum by Teamwork Republic. It's our serum, face serum. You have to dry it. Ang dark talaga kapag lumalapit ako sa cup. Facial moisturizer by Celatec. It's really good for oily and acne prone skin. I'm using this Kiss Beauty sunscreen. It has this SPF 90+. Yes. Creeping niya ako. So here's our final look for today. Yeah. We have our bag. And we're going to school kasi 6:40 na and then I have to get there right now. So, hi guys.
Hingi naman kami ng permiso kay Medyo.
Oo na.
High five, high five.
So guys, it's Hey guys. Ito yung katabi ko sa kaliwa. Si Ate. And this is Maiko. Katabi ko sa kaliwa. Ito yung ulit. Subject namin is yung next na subject namin is Gen Bio 2. Sunod na is USC.
Ako ay nagugutom.
Ano ba yung binili?
Meron silang pagkain. At ako ay nakikinig.
Actually, magsasalita lang kami ng Tagalog for the whole subject. Pero sabi niya man, bukas na lang daw. Kaya, pwede kami mag-English ngayon. Tapos sila nagwawaray since we're in summer and mga waray itong lahat. Waray ito sila. Kamayang dyan tayo, makikita kami makapost kasi bawal mag-phone actually kapag class hours. Kaya, ngayon kasi, after na lesson, pwede kami kaya.
So guys, I'm done eating. So, this one, hindi pa siya tapos. So today, tapos na yung discussion namin ngayon. So yun, tapos na siya. Ano masasabi mo sa pagkain? Hi guys! Hi guys, so we're done our school today.
a hell day.
Guys, 1 to 100. Hi, bro! Uwian na. Uwian na. Hi, goodbye!
We had the last subject and sir gave us a bunch of, I mean like, it's not a bunch, but the items are very, we're supposed to give 100 words that's related to the topic. We're going home now, and I look oily.
We're in a private service. May dala-dala akong labahan kaya na naiwan sa bahay kasi hindi naman napelak. So, dinala ko na lang. Since umuwi rin ako galing school, kaya... And now, nakasakay ako sa isang bus. Surprisingly kasi, nandun rin, pag-akyat namin, nandun yung bus. So, nakasakay kami, kaya...
Hi everyone, so it's currently 6:47. I have to get there at 6:50 or earlier since we'll be starting our grocery in our school. Meron kasi kami grocery third morning kaya bawal ka mali. And here I am now, getting it. So, sobrang pressured sa time. Nakalimutan ko yung, I mean like, hinahanap ko yung time. Hinahanap ko yung phone ko and then, I remember, naka-video pala. Don't forget this is, let's go. Tapos na ng Gen Bio. And next na yung EABT. So, yan na sir. Our last subject. Okay, so hi everyone. It's currently Wednesday and nakagising ko lang yan. Nag-change na lang ako ng damit. Since it's nearly going to be 6:30 a.m. Medyo ano yung voice ko kaya. And right now, I'm doing my skincare. Ito yung my skin after the skincare. It's kind of glowy, pero sige lang. We'll be wearing this vest now kasi I need to go there at 6:40 na since malilate na ako and yeah, let's go. Hi, I'm back dito sa I'll edit this vlog na. I'll start editing this vlog. It's Thursday.
Hi guys! Hi guys! A week in my life, and it is Thursday! So I am here with Maiko because,
Vlog takeover.
oh yeah, it's vlog takeover because we are doing our, what are we doing? I don't know, but we are doing for our video. This is Renzo. Say hi, Renzo. And this is, oh yeah, say hi. Okay, hi guys. Today we have, guys, say hi to my vlog.
Okay, so they did a vlog takeover. Right now it's Thursday and it's our first period. It's film. Pwede kami mag-pro, kaya makakapag-video. Actually, our next sub is philosophy. I mean like our next very good. Philosophy, and then after philosophy, it's USCP. And after that, it's Presence. Fresh. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog because I woke up like at 6:30 a.m. and I'm rushing to get ready. And I was rushing to get here kasi malinis na ako. Kaya hindi na ako masyado nakapag-prepare. Hey guys, so it's the last day of the week and we have band practice. It's currently 7:55 a.m. and we have to get here at like 8 a.m. and then papaganuhin kami pag-squatted kasi we can't be late. But look, it's almost mga tao dito is wala. Not even the half of the band are here.
Kaya, may shadow pa rin.
Medyo lang. Pero nababasa ko naman pa yung letter as of